Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Jjimdak, Korean braised chicken. Let's get started. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to Shannon K. Fleming who requested this episode. This one is for you. First, we need dangmyeon or glass noodles. Get 100 grams of dangmyeon and soak them in a bowl of warm water. Next, we need chicken. I'm using 4 legs and 4 wings. Sorry if my voice is off today. It's getting cooler in Seoul and I've caught a little cold. Cross-hatch slices into your chicken. You can skip this part, but if you take this step, the sauce will absorb more easily and evenly into your chicken when we cook it. The full title of Jjimdak is Andong Jjimdak. Andong is a city in Gyeongsang-buk-do province, which is the same province that my hometown Daegu is in. Put the chicken to the side. Fill up a large pot with water. Add 2 cloves of garlic, 3 bay leaves, a touch of black pepper, and bring to a boil. When the pot is boiling rapidly, add your chicken and bring back to a boil. Jjim means steamed and dak means chicken, so the full title is Andong City's steamed chicken. I was supposed to add soju to the chicken, but because my pot was too small, I skipped it. It was only to neutralize the odor of the chicken. But since chicken does not have a strong odor, it's fine to skip this step. After boiling for 2 minutes, put your chicken in cold water to cool it down. After a minute, put your chicken in a large bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Andong is the city my dad is from, so my mom used to cook me Andong Jjimdak a lot when I was young. It's one of my favorite foods. Now, add 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soju. Foreigners usually love Jjimdak because it is very savory and not spicy at all. Now, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and a dash of black pepper. If you like spicy food, you can cut up 1 hot pepper and add it to the bowl. But if you don't like spice, skip the pepper. Mix everything well. Cover and let it marinate in a fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. We want all the ingredients to soak into the chicken. Now, we need 2 whole potatoes. Skin them, then cut them into halves, quarters, and eighths. Originally, Andong Jjimdak was very spicy, but when it came north to Seoul, the flavor was altered to a more accessible flavor, and now it is one of the most popular dishes among foreigners in Seoul. Now cut 1 carrot into thick slices and cut 1 leek into 2-inch wide chunks. Since I'm from Gyeongsang-buk-do province, my recipe will be super spicy. It is the original authentic recipe and I think it is better than the non-spicy version. So you should try it if you can handle the heat. Slice 1 white onion into chunks and put it to the side. I'm cooking authentic Andong Jjimdak, but you can add a lot of other ingredients to make it taste better. One of my favorite is mozzarella cheese. 1 more hot pepper because I like my food extra spicy. Slice it thinly and put everything to the side. Now, we need a large deep pan. Add a little oil and set to medium high. When the pan heats up, add your potato and carrots. Stir fry them for about 5 minutes. Some restaurants even add sweet potato or deep fried squid. Then, add all the chicken and its marinade. Stir fry the chicken and veggies for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add 250 milliliters of water and let it cook. Some Jjimdak restaurant will make a fried rice out of your sauce and chicken when you've almost finished the dish. The sauce of the Jjimdak.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Let the Jjimdak boil for 10 minutes. Then, add your leeks and onions. Although Jjimdak tastes traditional, it's actually a modern Korean dish. It was invented in the 1970s to compete against Western fried chicken. When the potato and carrots are fully cooked, add your glass noodle and let the pan simmer until the noodles are fully cooked. They are one of the most popular noodles in South Korea. We also use this noodle in our japchae recipe, which you can watch here. When the noodles are ready, move your ingredients into a big bowl. Pour your sauce on top. And sprinkle toasted sesame seed on top of that. That's it! Our Jjimdak is all ready to eat!
I like potato so much. And my favorite part. This chicken was marinated into the soy sauce and it's so savory and texture is so chewy. And potato was cooked like a perfectly, so it tastes so good. And I put a lot of hot pepper and it's really spicy. I'm sweating a lot, but I like it so much. But if you don't like spicy, don't put the hot pepper too much. It tastes so good, so you should definitely try. See you next week. 안녕! Hello guys, thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you want to see more video, it's over there, and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below and I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!